Every morning, our businessman wakes up in a sanctuary of technology and comfort. The walls of his bedroom adapt to his mood, and his personal robot anticipates his every desire. Luxury is about starting the day in harmony with your environment. In his futuristic closet, every piece of clothing is a technological masterpiece. Smart fabrics adjust to the temperature, and holograms suggest the perfect outfits for every occasion. Luxury is about staying ahead of the fashion curve. His car isn't just a means of transportation, it's an extension of his lifestyle. Autonomous, electric, and capable of flying, it embodies elegance and innovation. Luxury is about traveling without compromise. His office is a space where productivity meets luxury. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, he works in an environment that's both elegant and functional. Luxury is about turning every task into a unique experience. His underwater villa is an architectural masterpiece. Surrounded by the beauty of the ocean, he lives in harmony with nature while enjoying the latest technological advancements. Luxury is about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. After a long day, he relaxes in his high-tech spa. State-of-the-art technology transforms every moment into a unique sensory experience. Luxury is about self-care in an exceptional setting. His digital art collection is constantly evolving. Each piece is interactive and unique, reflecting his taste for innovation and creativity. Luxury is about surrounding yourself with beauty and inspiration. Every meal is a unique culinary experience, prepared by a robot chef and served in an elegant setting. Luxury is about savoring exceptional dishes effortlessly. For him, space travel is a given. His private spaceship offers all the comfort and luxury he needs to explore the stars. Luxury is about pushing the boundaries of exploration. Every night, he falls asleep under a holographic starry sky, in a bed that adapts to his needs. Luxury is about turning every moment into a memorable experience. And that's a glimpse into the life of a man living in the pinnacle of futuristic luxury. From smart homes and high-tech fashion to space travel and underwater villas, the future of luxury is here, and it's more extraordinary than ever. What part of this futuristic lifestyle inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in luxury and innovation. Thanks for watching Privileged Word, where the future of luxury comes to life. See you in the next video.